In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read Substack. Substack is a popular platform where writers, podcasters, and creators share their content directly with their audience, often in the form of newsletters. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can effortlessly navigate and enjoy the content available to you. To begin, identify the specific writer or creator whose content you wish to access. If you know their Substack address, go directly to their site by typing something like example.substack.com into your browser. This will take you to their collection of posts, podcasts, or any other content they have shared. But what if you don't remember the exact website address, or you're looking for general access to your favorite Substack subscriptions? That's no problem. Simply head over to your own Substack homepage. This is your personal hub where you manage subscriptions and discover new writers. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Here is where you can manage various aspects of your Substack experience. Now scroll down until you find the subscriptions section. This is a crucial area because it lists all the writers and publications you are currently following. It keeps your reading organized and ensures you don't miss out on new content from your favorites. In the subscription section, you'll see a list of all the publications you're subscribed to. Click on any of these to open up the publication's main page. This page is your gateway to explore the vast array of content available. Browse through the different posts, podcasts, or archives that are laid out for you. Substack offers a diverse range of topics, so take your time to explore and enjoy what each writer has to offer. If you see a post title that piques your interest, simply click on it to read the full content. Substack provides a clean and reader-friendly format that makes it easy to immerse yourself in the material. Remember, while Substack allows you to access a lot of content for free, some posts, particularly those that are part of a paid subscription, require you to sign up or subscribe. This usually helps support the writers and creators, allowing them to produce high-quality content on a regular basis. However, a subscription is not always mandatory unless you opt for exclusive content. Now that you have a clear path laid out for exploring Substack, you can read, listen, and enjoy a rich variety of content. Whether it's discovering new insights in articles, diving into podcast series, or simply reading your favorite writers, Substack offers a user-friendly experience to enrich your daily information dive. Happy reading!